Hello people, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys the step-by-step process of making a sleeveless circle dress just like this with an ankara material. So please watch till the end and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So before we start cutting, this is how to measure. First of all, the chest size measurements. Mine is 11. Then measure the full length. Mine is 19. After taking the full length from the chest, come to the shoulder and measure the hand length. Mine is 6. Then from the shoulder to the down, the full length of the blouse is 25. Now to cut, first of all fold your fabric in two like this, then fold it again to form a triangle shape just like this. Now after doing that, measure the chest size divided by 2 to get 5.5 plus an extra 2 inches for scanty printing. Then I'll place the tape from the tip of the angle to this point where I marked the chest size, which is 12. So I will trace the 12 just like this. Now I'll mark the full length. Mine is 19 plus 1.5 inches for folding. Now come to the edge, mark the full length. So this is how to take your markings for the blouse length. After marking, roll out your shape, then cut out. So after cutting now, to mark the armhole, measure the chest size, which is 7.5. Then come down, the armhole is 3. So the chest size is 7.5. Then at the down of the armhole, 7.5 plus 1.5 to get 9. So I'm adding that extra 1.5 at the down to make the armhole straight. So mark and curve out the armhole like this. Then cut out your shape. Now this is the shape of the blouse. Now cut out the side. Then when you open up, this is how it looks. So this is the armhole and this is the neck of the blouse. Fold one of the pieces in two, then fold the other pieces and keep aside. Now mark out 3 from the middle point of the neck. Curve out your shape, then cut out your shape. Open it up, place them together. This is what you get. Now I'm going to make a scanty painting like this on the neck. So I'm done printing. I printed the front and the back neck. You can decide to make yours without adding printing, it's your choice. So after printing, I'll sew the two sides. Now that I'm done sewing the two sides and turn to the front, I'm going to use these tiny pieces to turn the neck. Just like this. So I'm done folding the front and the back of the neck. Now this is the tiny pieces for the hand. So when you fold the hand in two, the hand length is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Fold it in two like this, then measure 6 from the shoulder to the chest point. Then the remaining extra will go to the armhole. Now to make the hand, I will fold it very tiny just like this. So I'm done sewing the hand. This is how it looks. After sewing, now I'm going to fold the down of the dress. So I'm done folding, and that is all you have to do to make this circle dress. You can wear this dress with trouser or skirt to any occasion. It fits just fine. Thanks for watching to this point. Hope you subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching once again. See you in my next video.